Hey, what up everybody, this is TM and today I'm going to be showing you how you can install the Google HDR Plus camera on any phone. If you have Android, you can be running this. So it is pretty simple. Go to the link that is in the description with your phone and download the file that is in the description. Then just go to your phone, click on it, click install. It's going to take a while. And 20 seconds later, click on open. Now allow all of these requirements. Now the camera is working. You already have the Google HDR Plus camera on your phone. So now this is a really important step. You go there and then to settings, and in settings you have to click there config camera HDR Plus, otherwise you will not have HDR enabled. So Nexus 6 HDR Auto. Click on that and now your phone, just click back, go back to the camera, and now you have HDR enabled. You can click there and choose the setting, and let's take a picture with HDR off and HDR on. So it takes a little while when it takes the picture with HDR on. So as you can see, this is the off one, and if you kind of zoom in first, the difference actually in this picture, you notice on the lightning there. Let's see this photo. I'm probably gonna post this on the screen so you can see better the differences. And as you can see, the HDR one, you can see on the microphone the blue LEDs on the microphone look a lot better, and also in the computer, like the light just looks better. Don't forget that you also have Google camera features. So you have slow motion, panorama, photosphere, and lens blur. I really enjoy this. I actually really enjoy this this little thing. It's all you have to do. If you haven't done this, this is like pretty cool. All you have to do is go here, press take a pic, and then just slowly raise the phone, and that's it. Take a picture to someone, and you'll just, it just looks amazing. Okay, so it's actually processing the lens blur because it takes a little while. Let me take one to my microphone. So as you can see, it is totally blurred out the back. It just looks amazing. Just looks so good, this. And then you can also refocus the pictures. Like you can do a lot of different things in this app. So make sure that you download it and install it on your phone, have it, and take some good quality pictures. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. This was TM, and I'm out.